In this exercise, we'll subtract rational expressions. We're going to have 5 minus t over t squared plus 1 minus t minus 3 over t squared plus 1. Now, these two rational expressions have the same denominator. So to do the subtraction, I just subtract this numerator from this numerator and keep the common denominator. So we can write this as 5 minus t minus the entire second numerator over t squared plus 1. Now, if you're rushing through a test, don't get in too big of a hurry when you do this step, because you need to subtract the entire second numerator from the first one. So the parentheses are necessary here to show that we're subtracting both of these terms and not just the first one. If you wrote it without the parentheses, you would be subtracting only the first term. Now let's remove those parentheses. We have 5 minus t plus 3 over t squared plus 1. And we'll simplify in the numerator. 5 plus 3 is 8. And the opposite of t minus t gives me negative 2 times t. And that's over t squared plus 1. And I need to look and see if I can simplify. And I could factor the numerator. It would factor as 2 times the quantity 4 minus t, but it wouldn't have any factors in common with the denominator, even if I carried out the factorization. So I can just leave this in this form because it is the simplest form, 8 minus 2t over t squared plus 1.